Hi, I'm Gary Fabian with Coldwell Banker Realty. Thanks for joining us again today. I'm here with Sonia Pitt from Premier Nationwide Lending, and today we're going to talk about down payments and what is needed for a down payment for you to purchase a home. Sonia, there are many myths out there, floating around out there, you got to have 20% down payment for a mortgage. Explain to us some of the down payments that are out there today.
Okay, that is very much a myth. Many years ago, I'm sure 20% was the minimum that you had to put down, but there are so many different options now. We have the FHA loan. It is as little as 3.5% down. And we have the USDA loan, and that is 100% financing. The biggest thing with USDA, it has to be in an area that is in their considered rural housing, but you'd be surprised what is still considered rural housing. Another one is the VA loan. That's one of my favorite loans to offer for those that have served our military. And that's 100% financing as well. Conventional can be as little as 3% down and up to as much as down as they want to put down. But there are 100% programs, 3.5% down as well.
So a client doesn't need to sweat it thinking they've got to have 20% to put down. There are other programs that they could be looking into, and you'd be helpful to them and helping them out.
Absolutely. If you if you want to purchase a home and you don't have any down payment, we also have down payment assistance programs. We have worked with South Carolina State Housing for over 15 years, providing down payment assistance to borrowers in South Carolina, and it is a great program. That's also the program that comes out once a year and does Palmetto Heroes, specifically for those in first responders, teachers, nurses. It's a great program. It is an income-based program, so you have to meet the income requirements. You have to meet the minimum credit score for state housing, which is a 620. But there's so many options out there for everyone, and don't hesitate. You're not going to know if you can purchase a home unless you take that first step. Call Gary and he'll send you on to us, or call us and say, hey, look, I saw your video and we want to get pre-approved, and we will put you in touch with Gary. But it's a very much a misconception you have to have a large down payment. Now, there are closing costs involved as well. It's just a matter of coming to the table. Let's figure out what you qualify for and going from there.
Finding the right program.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, Sonia, thank you so much for joining me today, and make sure you follow us online on our social media, and click like and subscribe, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. If you need to reach out to Sonia, how can they reach you?
They can call me on my cell phone, 843-270-5338, or visit my website, soniapitt.com.
Great. And again, I'm Gary Fabian, a realtor, and you can reach me for any real estate needs you may have at 843-209-2801. See you next time.
Bye, guys.